Today we're going to be talking about something that is happening way too often recently. Something that is very common, to say the least. Roblox is in legal trouble once again. This time, however, it's because of the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission. In this complaint, they actually explain that Roblox has a lot of advertisement games which can't be distinguished to children. At this point, I do not even know whether to be extremely surprised or to just be disappointed. We are nearing the end of April now, and it's like in the past few months there's been so much articles and legal issues about Roblox that I am just wondering, to be honest at this point, if it will ever stop. I actually found out that this was going on due to a tweet of the RTC. Yesterday it basically was my birthday, and when I was done celebrating it and I basically checked out Twitter, I saw that tweet by the RTC and I just instantly was disappointed. So the RTC basically shared a few images like this one. It's saying something across the lines of Roblox failing to establish any meaningful guardrails to ensure compliance with truth in advertising laws. There is also a link to the document itself in this tweet, and I actually clicked this and then I realized it was 44 pages long. Obviously I'm not going to read the entire thing. I'm definitely not going to read the entire thing in this video, but I just looked over it for a little just to see what it was about. And in the first section they are basically just going to explain what Roblox is, how many monthly users Roblox has, the fact that it is a multi-billion-dollar company and that kind of stuff. It's literally nothing interesting. Then they begin to talk about Roblox being Roblox games being advertisements from time to time, and how some developers are buying likes for games by stating that they will release a new in-game code or something if the game reaches a certain amount of likes. Once you read like half of the document, they start with a conclusion. But anyways, they stated, and on top of all this, Roblox is exploiting and harming children who will never be able to distinguish the commercial content on this platform from authentic material. Advert games, like they call it, can persuade young children at a subconscious and emotional level and could change children's behavior without their conscious awareness. And somewhere at the end of this conclusion they state that 25 million children cannot afford to continue waiting for action. Which I really don't know. Did those 25 million children really ask you to stop advertisements on Roblox? Cause I don't think that they did, to be honest. I don't even think that most children would actually know that there are advertisements on Roblox if you just look at the game page section, to be honest. And besides all of that, if we are going to look at it like this, then I do feel like they kind of have a few fair points. But what I find even more interesting is that this is only picked up now. This is an issue on the platform that has been there for who knows how long. And I kind of get where they are coming from, to be honest, especially with some developers begging for likes in order to release a new code or an in-game item. If you have a YouTube channel like me and many other people, you will most likely recognize this. You will have to tell YouTube that you have an advertisement put in your video if there is one. Otherwise you can get in trouble. The same thing actually should work with Roblox games as well. I feel like if there is any sort of advertisement towards anything, a developer should state that in their description, and they usually don't. And I don't know why Roblox hasn't thought about this years ago. However, do I think that Roblox hasn't done anything to show that a game is an advertisement? No, and here's why. Roblox definitely has done things, like showing that a game was made by Netflix, for example. Even though it's the bare minimum and it's often in the description of a game, it kind of is an advertisement, if you know what I mean. The general public may not even care and they may just play games, and I kind of do too. I really do not care if I'm playing a game that's being advertised by Nike, for example, where they give me free shoes inside of a game and then expect me to buy it in real life. I literally do not care. All we can do now is just wait and see how this saga is going to continue. I kind of do understand where they are coming from, but at the same time, Roblox most of the time states that it's an advertisement, even if it's the bare minimum. I will also leave a link to the document in the description if you would like to read through all of these 44 pages and then form an opinion on it, go ahead. Definitely let me know your opinions on this whole topic and whether you feel like Roblox is in the right or the wrong. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Consider subscribing if you want more content like this, because I will upload a new Roblox video every Wednesday and Saturday and you might enjoy some of my content. And hopefully, I'll see you back in another Roblox video.